Today's Thursday, May 12th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado 1707-202R and the 1707-203L. This variant came in from my friend Eric in Virginia, and the unit's been completely disassembled, fully restored, calibrated, and precision lapped with the plungers inside. And I'm going to do a functional validation test for my friend Eric. As soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation, this will be shipping out. So I'll go ahead and actuate the plunger, retraction, extension, retraction, extension, retraction, extension. Very powerful snap, fully restored unit. And this will be going out to my friend Eric as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, such as this 1976 one-year only power door lock actuating solenoid with the inline dual prong configuration as opposed to the right angle configuration in the predecessor year. So this is a one-year only design in 1976. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 to 1978 overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, these power door lock actuators, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, May 12th. Thank you very kindly.